for Niger FM 102.7.
Power Connect Show. Power Connect. Power Connect Show. Power Connect. Power Connect Show. Your reliable program that gives you all the information you need to know about the power sector, professionals in the industry, electrical products, government agencies, the stakeholders, and many more. Power Connect Show.
How beautiful to everyone out there. How are you doing, Ibeju? Aja, I trust your day has been good. Lekki, I believe that you are doing well. How about Lagos Island? I trust your day is going on fine. First tack, Agbara Badagry, how are you? Really, Mushin, I know you are doing well. It's another beautiful Wednesday evening, and it's no other thing is happening this hour other than your very exciting program, The Power Connect Show. And where is it happening? It's happening on this station, on no other station other than 102.7 Now We Station, Now We Radio. This is where we are. And like I've said, it's another beautiful day. Of course, you know that my name remains what it has always been, Ademola Ben Cranston Adegoke. And you know what? I won't ever come alone without my brother from another mother, the one you know as BB Banji Busari. Banji, what do you have for listeners?
Great news. I have great news for them, and I start by saying that our own sponsor EKEDC, they do very well. Not only our listeners, they do very well. EKEDC, our sponsor, they do a stand gidigba where others are shaking and they can't find their feet. EKEDC is doing gidigba. You are welcome to the fresh edition of our program, Power Connect Show. If last week's edition was a beautiful, very interesting one, you can be sure that this one promises to be even much better, much more exciting. And that's why I'm welcoming you to the fresh edition. My name is Banji Busari. You are welcome.
You are welcome. Just don't go anywhere now, because the program promises to be a very, very interesting.
So we transit to the news and tidbits.
Of course. And the first news story I have here says EKEDC records ATC and C, lowest ATC and C loss in the company's history. We're waiting be this ATC and C say where will they talk. Maybe when we listen to the news, we will know what it is. And it says that a core electricity distribution company has said it recorded the lowest aggregate technical, commercial and collection loss in the history of the company in the month of March 2024. The technical losses refer to electricity that is lost through distribution system due to issues like old and inefficient power lines and equipment. This is energy that never reaches the customers. Commercial losses also refer to it happens when customers steal electricity, for example by tampering with their electricity meters to make it appear they are using less than they are. This is essentially electricity theft. So what EKEDC is saying is that it recorded the lowest level of technical loss. Energy got to the customers at the highest peak in the month of March, and they also recorded the lowest energy theft in the month of March. Disclosing this in a letter addressed to the chairman of the company, the acting managing director and chief executive officer of the company, Ricky Atmomo, said the impressive performance showed that EKEDC's ATC and C reduced to 10.51% in March 2024 from 30.87% recorded in the previous month of February. The company also recorded a collection of efficiency of about 98% in the month of March.
ABC, that's something to celebrate. For another day, we'll reserve it for another day.
Yes.
The other news, I know say you don't hear about them. FG to unbundle 11 discos, order sale of 4. As a way of ensuring better service delivery and operational efficiency, power distribution companies in the country are to be unbundled along state times Making this disclosure was the Minister of Power, Chief Adebayo Adelabu, while playing host to members of the Senate Committee on Power in his office in Abuja recently. The minister stated that the privatization of the firms would not be reversed, but stressed that the discourse will be broken into more efficient structures along state lines so as to be able to deliver on their mandate. The federal government has also ordered the sale of discos that have been taken over by banks and the Asset Management Corporation from its original investors and owners. Currently, 5 discos are under the management of banks and AMCOM. Abuja Electricity Distribution Company is under the management of UBA, while Fidelity manages Benin Electricity Distribution Company, Kaduna Electricity Distribution Company, and Kano Electricity Distribution Company. The Ibadan Electricity Distribution Company is under the AMCOM management. So the 5 discos are under this new management due to their inability to repay their loans to the financial institutions. That one a story gidigba, but we are lucky. Say our own.
No.
EKDC stand gidigba.
EKDC is performing so well, and you would say that EKDC is not in the list.
It's not in the list. We stand gidigba. We know the program.
Yes.
So we'll go for a short break. When we return, the program continues.
Esteemed customer, Eco Electricity Distribution Company, EcoDisco, hereby advises you against careless attitudes in your daily usage of electricity to avoid electrocution. Electrocution is the passage of electrical current through a human body, resulting in death. EKEDC therefore advises you to be extremely careful when using electric gas cookers, microwave ovens, washing machines, irons, and so on when plugging in your TV, radio, DVD players, and stereo sets. Do not tamper with or attempt repairing your meter if it develops a fault. Invite a qualified electrical engineer. Also, this rainy season, to avoid electrocution or untimely death, be careful not to step on naked electricity wire or engage in any trading or business activity under high tension wire. For any electrical issues you have, call our customer care line on 0708 067 1170 and 0700 123 5666. EKEDC, empowering quality of lives.
You are welcome back. Banji, are you not happy that the rains are coming?
Yes, we are happy. Everyone is happy. I'm sure our producer to Osam is also very happy because the rains are here.
Because the weather is getting cooler.
Yes.
And but when the weather gets cool, when the rains set in, some other challenges come with the rains. And that is what we're going to be doing, because you can't ever overemphasize the issue of safety. Safety. And that is what we do here every time we want to enlighten.
ABC, are you aware of what happened in Songo, Ogun State?
Yes.
Particularly on Sunday.
When the rainstorm, caused
vandalized
the electricity
network and the equipment and the facilities.
And that is why today we have brought someone, who talks safety, breathes safety, thinks safety, because he is from the safety department of EKEDC. I'm talking of no other person. He's a friend of the house. He's been here a couple of times before to enlighten customers. Sylvester Okogwa is the name. Is the HOD, safety, Eco Electricity Distribution Company. Sylvester, you are welcome.
Good afternoon.
It's a pleasure to have you again.
Good afternoon, sirs, and good afternoon, our esteemed customers.
Let's hit the ground running. The issue of safety is always a multifaceted one. But can you please set the ball rolling by taking us through some of the outdoor and indoor safety challenges of the rainy season and how to deal with them?
So good afternoon, our people, once again. So we don't come here again this afternoon.
Thank you.
Today now, what will bring it in
our man.
Now, outdoor safety as it concerns power utility. Now, as we know, say power utility to distribute power. There are things where we need. We get distribution transformer, we get power line, we get RMU, we get everything. And all these things now come with their own challenges naturally. But now we ain't gone before. Say we won't verse for God today. We don't move verse for God. So now, God don't even bless us now. Can't give us knowledge on how to even stay safe around our electricity during rain. Now, when rain don't dey fall like this now, you just have to do some things you need to do. You must not even go close to high tension power lines. Just like example of the OT they talk where they say for Songo water for our sister distribution this thing. Now, you must not do anything closer to any high tension installation, because if you fall, if he hit you for head, because we know say installation where they install, there are some things where they will be relay. Where we say if line fall, it's supposed to trip. However, even if the line trip, the pole itself will hit you if it cause wahala. Even now, if you even land for ground, we be say you no even trip, we flood even cover them. You no go even know say why are they ground, we even dey live. So flood itself another thing we be say you no even know say another problem don't need there. So those are the even for our house we get.
So apart from the wind, the flood itself na another headache.
The flood itself na another thing. So even our distribution substation, things we dey be say if you go close to anything with the metallic, you go dey shock, because as we all know. We know say water and electricity they not be friend.
They not be friend.
Because electricity, water in a way now, like it be like catalyst. So we say they increase that the possibility of electrical shock. So now just are the reasons. So anything that where electricity, when don't start like this, they come with so many challenges. There's no standard today where we say we use plant pole, depth of barrier, where you go cast the base, you go even the surface of the this thing, you go still put beam. However, you still have to do what? Because we not vivers for God. All this wind very heavy, as if they come you go see say go the damage, and when the damage things person must not dey close to that place. Even vehicles, sometimes you go say line go snap on top vehicles, but this people guys get that knowledge that any electricity line wey you see wey for ground, you must assume say e dey live. You must never assume say as e don die. No, you must not assume for no reason. That is why the first thing, keep your distance first and ensure you call us. Our number dey there everywhere. There our website. When you go our website, you go see health and safety clearly there. On our website, you go see the time when you put them, you go see things, all these advices we would even drop here.
If I get wetin you dey talk,
okay, sir.
Now be say this time around, you go mind how you dey waka.
Very
you
important.
Mind where you dey stay.
Very important.
Where you dey park your car.
Very important.
You must mind
those
things.
Very.
Just go and stand anywhere.
Yeah, you don't stand anywhere because
but of this. Like say you people they talk about outdoor. What about indoors?
No, make we talk this outdoor because people must waka for street.
People where their house they leak in call.
We will talk about
flood the enter house.
No, we go talk about that one.
Okay.
Make we talk about how people go waka.
That outdoor now one of the way we guys educate people, because people don't really even know the dangers. We just shit with all these things. Now be all this way we dey talk. Now you go see every time we always do campaign where we dey talk say okay, right of way violation, right of way infringement. Wetin right of way mean? I say okay, for this road now we be say you don't see power line there. It means say na NEPA first reach there, na the power utility distribution company na dem first reach there.
First reach there.
So now we get that right of way. And for our 11 kV and 33 kV lines, you must say at least 5.5 distance away from the either to the right or to the left. But people go see the trade under there. Any wind like that, if you snap bagger, anything can happen. Although, like I said, our installations we have our relays. We say they dey very sensitive, highly sensitive. Once it senses any disconnection, any snap, it disconnects.
Automatically.
So it automatically disconnects. But there are other factors as well. Like I said, I tell you, even weight of pole.
No, even the cross arms.
Even the cross arm. Even port insulator.
The port insulator.
The port insulator wey dey on top cross arm. If it fall, if you fall for person, you go injure the person. Even if it damage vehicle. So those are the why we even do. We preach all those things. Even our substations, you go see people they trade there. Some we get substation we say during the day, you no go see anything there. But for night when you dey go out, maybe you just pass there. Now stop.
You get one issue. Issue. We don't talk about where people go stay, where they go park their car. But you get one issue. People they plant tree inside their compound, and the tree go they grow. You go see them say, and say rainy season, the tree go they grow fast. They go touch lines. Waiting they go do that kind.
Now for tree matter now.
That one no mean anything.
That's serious thing though. Tree matter now in two ways. Now for people who be saying that then go get the tree for their house. If they don't see that type of thing, they go call us say okay our trees don't touch the line. No, they talk. No, they must not cut themselves though. They must call us our tree don't they near una line or abeg wetin we fit do. So our people they get what they call permit. outage, they go shut down the line. There are experts wey be say that then the electrical and line tracers. Now then go come trim all these branches. Now why some trees they will be saying that government plant them? All those say that government planted them like that. Once we, because most of the time when they touch the line, they affect our own reliability to give customer light. Yes. So what we will do once we don't see all those ones, we will contact LASPAC, this Lagos State Garden and Park Agency. So we say we'll contact them to get license from them. Once you don't get license for them for us to trim them, then the next thing we will go do again, we are first talk again. Now that permit, we will secure the permit internally ourselves, shut down the circuit, then we will trim the lines. Once you don't trim the lines like that, then it is safe to do. And like I still said, now expert,
not say you go just carry.
No. I beg you, we will not try that one. No. Now expert will still come trim the branches, and when they trim the branches, then it is safe. Then they restore everybody to happy. Because the liability 9 days very important. Everybody guys get light. Even God self doesn't let there be light. So that is it.
Okay, let's draw inference from the last rain, the heavy rain, the one on Sunday now.
Okay, sir.
It actually rained heavily, and most people were outside. I mean, it was worship time in their churches, in their mosques, and wherever. Now, how do people handle cases where they are already outside? Maybe going to work or returning from work, and the rain has started for hours, 3 hours before they actually
flood all over.
So do they stay in a place and spend hours not knowing when the rain will stop? How do they handle it?
Like I said at the beginning of this program, I said the first thing is situational awareness. If you don't the area where we say you see flood, you don't see wind rather. Because now wind go better give you signs everywhere you want for. Once you don't see wind, the first thing you take off. And if you want to take cover, situational awareness comes in again. Watch where you they go. One day I make a give us that one day I they go house. My area 330. All these big power line pass there.
Big power lines.
Breeze, every wind they blow. I'm under that road. I know say they want to do construction for where you build this heavy power line. They go build for here. Now the middle now they pass they go. As I see the thing they do, I just run. I go past another road. I go past another road where we say the line not pass. So those are very, very key. You said now I thought education is very, very key. Awareness. And now why Eco Disco, one thing what would they do? Will they really invest in this public awareness? Will they invest in public awareness, radio jingles, go outside, go to marketplaces, we even go schools. Even by May now, our safety week they come up. And one of the things where would they go marketplaces, would they go schools where we go do this awareness about safety? Because now we're even trying to catch them young. So all these secondary school students.
So advocacy programs.
Yeah, advocacy. So the company they really invest on all these awareness and our advocacy program just to ensure that people are aware. Because awareness is key.
Mr. Okwag, you don't talk. So this talk not be for me and the ABCO. It's for the listeners at home. So make we involve them. Make them tell us, particularly from the rains that we have experienced this year, the lines to call on to, that's to participate in this program, are 0201 5151 027. I repeat, 020 1515 1027. The other line is 020 1515 2027. So take note of the other line to 0201 1515 2027. If you want to use WhatsApp, you feel call 081 001 303 49. What will be your experience? What will be the challenge where they face you now as the rain don't come, particularly regarding electricity, either at your workplace, at home, or maybe as you navigate within the city? That's our focus today. We'll go for a short break. When we return, we'll be expecting your calls.
Oníbàárà Eco Disco wa pàtàkì jọ̀wọ́ lọ sí www.ekedp.com/sts kó o sì tẹ nọ́mbà mítà tó ń lò lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ síbẹ̀ láti mọ̀ bóyá mítà rẹ lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ láti sún sókè sí ẹ̀dà STS2. Tí mítà rẹ bá lẹ́tọ̀ọ́, a ó tún padà kàn sí ọ. Àmọ́ tí kò bá lẹ́tọ̀ọ́, o máa nílò láti forúkọ sílẹ̀ fún mítà tuntun. EKEDC á sì dá owó mítà rẹ padà fún ọ láàárín àkókò díẹ̀. Tó o bá ní ìdojúkọ kankan, jọ̀wọ́ kàn sí ikọ̀ ìrírí oníbàárà wa pẹ̀lú email tàbí nọ́mbà fóònù tá a pèsè. Ìkéde fún gbogbo ará ìlú yìí wá látọ̀dọ̀ Eco Disco. EKEDC, àwa là ń fi agbára fún ìgbé ayé ẹ̀dá tó yanrantí.
Welcome on our Power Connect show for Niger FM 102.7. The WhatsApp number again now 081-001-30349. Our guest is still there here, and he wants a question from you, Mr. Sylvester Okwago,
HOD, Occupational Health and Safety, EKEDC.
So,
another thing, the way they follow joint body for rainy season, now this thunder and lightning, and that one too, they come with its own
challenges,
safety issue. How this one they happen, and how people go handle them?
Okay, now
make we attend to. Sorry, just a second. Make we attend to this person first. Hello.
Okay, you don't cut.
You don't cut. Okay, so go ahead.
Okay, now
thunder and lightning.
Okay, thunder and lightning. Now for okay, let's start with even for the building, for the house.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening, Mr. Ademola Benkransin Adegoke and Banji Busari.
Oh, great.
Thanks so much.
It's a pleasure to have you here.
Yes, last week or last Wednesday, you people were not able to allow us to. We were not able to talk to you because of time.
Sorry about that.
That was last week. You remember?
Yes, we do.
So let me quickly say what I wanted to say that last week.
Okay.
It has to do with the new STI meter.
Okay.
STS.
Okay. STS meter, standard transfer specification meter.
Yes.
Okay.
Please, I've just managed. I'm a retiree, a pensioner.
Okay.
I've just managed to save the money.
Okay.
And I want to get it done. And presently, I'm just alone, but I'm thinking of calling my daughter at school to come and help me do the necessary. But I will strongly need the support of one of you or both of you as I go about this thing.
Okay.
Please.
Please.
Can you give us your number?
Please. Let's have your number.
Let's have your number
away now, so that we can engage you after this.
Thank you very
program.
much.
Okay.
Thank you very much. 0803.
0803.
Okay.
592. 4663.
4663. That's Mr. What's the name, sir?
Victor Okon.
Victor Okon. From where?
Island. Abalende, that's Ije.
Obalende, okay.
Thank you very much. We'll get back to you immediately after this program.
You, please, after this program.
You will be doing me a world of favor if you do.
We will also be doing a service to ourselves. Yeah, we'll do that. Thank you for calling. We appreciate you. So you were on lightning and thunder.
Lightning and thunder.
Okay, now for lightning and thunder now. For now, maybe we even start with the building. House. House where you build, you suppose first get what they call, there's what they call lighting arrestor then. Arrestor. So once you don't install and then now that lighting arrestor, you go from top, you go come down through one wire, from one wire again you go down through one metallic this thing on ground down. So as that thing they come, so from that place where the thing point out, you go just take that path, you go follow that part of that wire and enter ground. So that one alone you don't collect other lighting the strike to go. So that one now, you know, go damage house, you know, go damage even the equipment and everything. Now, for people now, we want to talk about good earthing for house.
Earthing.
Okay. So that earthing now, if there's any fault, maybe any fault you don't do, that one say go create parts for anything where if it cause shock for human being, it go carry them through that part, go down. So that which are those things. So when we debut, competent engineers, certified engineers, so those ones go guide us, give us specification and everything. That is why we get what they do. Before we even carry you enter our grid, there are some checks that we need to check before you take it to our grid. So that even what you they do not even go back to affect us. So lighting that we do with all this rain, all this lighting, and but once your house is equipped with those safety installation measures, then those will be the route, will be the path through which all those things will just enter the ground. Then the building is safe, or even people they are safe. And now for equipment again, that is why all this we get surge protectors, everything, so that if any surge
ground force
all those ground force circuit, what did that one do now? If any wire we don't, because that one you go see all those ground force circuit interrupter and say you go see them close to where water dey. Like kitchens close to your bathroom and co.
Okay.
Once all those one don't see them, now why they call am circuit interrupter. Once you don't see that ground fault, the next you go just do bam, you don't trip. So that's so those are the measures
I don't think say people they do all these things.
Now why I thought say code school would they really invest for awareness? So all these awareness now what we do anytime we will go out, we try as much as we can to let people know, because people must not die.
Because they need to stay alive to stay alive.
So you can remember when even they push that time, but stay alive. So that is it. So people must stay alive to enjoy the life. So now safe electricity. So that is just the aim. So the awareness is key, and a part of where we there, so that people can be aware of what to do and they stop. They stop. That continuous thing. So we keep doing it. Let people know what to do. And it doesn't stop. That like education.
ABC, before you proceed, because me I will not go dissatisfied until I get calls on this topic.
Okay.
Let me remind our listeners 02015151027. The other number is 02015152027. Call us, make you ask questions, so because I know say many precautionary measures we supposed to take as this rain dey fall. The man will go answer those questions. They here now. We will not be expert. The expert they here.
Okay. I know say this matter of safety is too wide. We no go fit finish am today, but I want, because you must tell people that even though we won't be able to finish, so there are some people where we want to say, okay, how maybe there is a way I can even get more information on this issue. Apart from the one where we dey talk, maybe publications, then they go website, how then go know more about this.
Thank you so much, sir. So that one dey very, very, very simple. We get very interactive website. Once you enter our website like this, you go see the bar from the top, all the tabs. You go see health and safety there. Once you enter that health and safety, you go just click on the health and safety. You go show you so many drop down. All those drop down, one of them you go see now electricity tips. You go see our even safety policy there. You go see public safety. You go even see this right away where we don't talk about. So even if to report safety issue, we get the thing there. So you go see once you just our website, you did the top, just what you go see the tab. Once you just click on, you go show you that drop down safety tips. So public safety, even this right away I talk about, you can even get more information about it there. So if you want even report safety issue, where they about for your area.
So this report of safety issue, quick one because time will be our friend. I see something where we say they post safety challenge for public, and I quickly want report them. You get number where I feel
number the way if you call our number. Our number is 070 0700 123 5666. That number that even our 0700 123 5666. Okay. So that number that even our email address hsc
it be hotline
now hotline, even our email address hsc@ekedp.com. That email once it drop like this, we dey escalate immediately, and with even that email every day that we dey receive mail there. So we dey get all those feedback, and those feedback they help us to
this number they serve as WhatsApp too.
That is not a WhatsApp.
It's not a WhatsApp
number.
Anyway, Mr. Sylvester Okongba, we can't thank you enough. This issue of safety, say we no go fit finish am today, so we go still call you. Because
we dey.
The safety issue, they tire person, because now the thing we go make us.
We have to go. ABC time is up. So, we really need to go.
All right. So thank you, our people.
Thank you. Please come back very soon.
Sure, definitely we'll come back.
So that's our package today on Power Connect Show. My name is Banji Busari. See you next week.
And mine is Ademola Ben Cranston Adegoke. See you next week. Thank you.
Dear valued customer, kindly visit our website www.ekedp.com/STS and input your current meter number to check the eligibility status of your meter to upgrade to the STS2 version.
If your meter is eligible, we will get back to you. But if it is not eligible, you will have to apply for a new meter. And note that EKDC will reimburse you for the meter over time. If you experience any issues, kindly contact our customer experience team